Hello everyone, I am Chandru. Welcome to Measure Cutting System official YouTube page. Today we are going to see how to load a program from a pendrive and to cut a job. One of our colleagues, Sumesh, is waiting at the shop floor. Just check it out.
Hi, I am Sumesh from Application Department. Today I am going to show you how to select a program from the pendrive for production. For loading new program, first you need to press the plus button. From here you need to load the program. Here you can open the USB. From this you can select the program which you want to cut. Okay, you need to select the program first. Then next you need to select the material. Here the material category will come. In this, if you want to cut mild steel, you can select mild steel, and thickness. You can drag to which thickness you want to cut. I selected 16 mm here. Then here it will show what type of nozzle I need to use and what type of gas I need to on. So both I need to verify whether it is actually I use this nozzle or not. You need to confirm. Then you can select the starting point. This is a job. The starting point is the right hand side, so you can move mission accordingly and you can select the starting point. After this you can click the start production button. So now ready for the production. The job is now ready to do the production. Now if I press the start button, my production will start. I will show you how it is going to start.